Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to create a poll on Telegram step by step. If we want to gather opinions, votes, or feedback from our group or channel members, this tutorial is for us. On the Telegram dashboard, all we have to do is choose the group chat where we want to create a poll. Here, we have a sample group chat. We can create a poll now. We cannot create a poll when it's just a chat with one person. As we can see, there is no poll option here. Now, to create a poll, all we have to do is click the paperclip logo and we will see the poll option here. Now, we just have to decide what question to ask. For example, which do you prefer? That description says. Then we can add options like apple, banana, avocado, and so on. Once we're done, we just need to click send. Now our poll is created. All we have to do now is check our choices and click vote. The purpose of this tutorial is to help us create and customize polls in Telegram using the built-in polling feature. It will guide us through adding questions, setting answer options, and choosing settings like anonymous voting or quiz mode. And that's it. Now we know how to create a poll on Telegram,